Today we will talk about how to use and take full advantage of the Mayflower Polishing Cloth. This cloth is designed to effectively clean silver, 14 karat and 18 karat gold, and platinum. The Mayflower Polishing Cloth measures 11 by 14 inches when fully open and flat. This large size makes it easy to clean big jewelry pieces like bracelets, necklaces, and chains. It's also great for cleaning silver plates and antiques. The extra space allows for a better grip when handling smaller jewelry, ensuring thorough cleaning. The polishing cloth is made of 2 flannel layers. The white flannel contains the cleaning ingredients and is the one you actually use to clean your jewelry. The gray flannel is untreated and used to buff and provide a final shine. The white flannel is infused with the non-toxic cleaning ingredients that are safe for you and the environment. There's no need to add any extra paste or solution. The cleaning ingredients are perfectly sealed in the white flannel, so no cleaning powder is floating around or stuck to the gray cloth. These ingredients are released only while you are polishing. You can use all 4 sides of the white cloth to polish. The gray flannel, which is untreated, easily buffs off any leftover cleaning powder from the polished piece and adds a final shine to your piece. It also keeps the white cloth inside, so the stains don't show on the exterior. This makes the Mayflower cloth look neat even after cleaning. It will look good any place you choose to store it, or even if you leave it around. Now we are going to show you how to easily clean jewelry with the Mayflower polishing cloth. Using the white cloth, which you now know is the one that has the cleaning ingredients. This cuff is a unique silver piece, but it also accumulates grime. Apparently, the piece is clean, but you will see the difference as we polish it. As you work with your pieces, you will see black stains remaining on the white cloth. They are the tarnish and dirt removed. These stains don't block the cloth from working. You can keep using it repeatedly, even with the black stains. The life of the cloth depends on the number and the size of the pieces cleaned. One thing you don't want to do is wash the polishing cloth. Doing so will remove the cleaning ingredients that are still impregnated in it. So please don't wash the cloth. Keep using it until the cleaning ingredients are completely exhausted. Now, a couple of pro tips. Hold your jewelry from behind the gray cloth to avoid getting your hands dirty. If you get tarnish on your hands, it easily washes off with soap and water. Fold the cloth neatly after use for easy storage. Before putting away your jewelry, give it a quick buff to keep it looking its best. Follow these simple steps and tips provided by the manufacturer to keep your pieces looking brilliant and well maintained. Happy polishing!